You can grab the latest version of Android Studio from developer.android.com/studio. As of this recording, the latest version is 4.0. When you click the download button, it's going to download a MSI file to your computer. To install Android Studio, you would double-click on the file to begin the installation process. You may encounter a few prompts the first time that it's launched. Just go ahead and choose the option that you desire. Now, we're in the Android Studio setup flow. Let's walk through this together. We're now able to choose the various components that we want to install. Let's keep the defaults and click on Next. Now, we're able to choose the installation location. We'll stick with the default and click Next. And finally, we have the option to choose a Start Menu folder. I'm going to keep the default once again and click on Install. Once the installation is completed, we'll click Next, and then we'll choose Finish. At this point, we can now begin to configure Android Studio. You may encounter a few prompts the first time that it's launched asking about preferences and settings. If so, choose the option that you desire. I'm going to decline porting any settings at this point. I'm going to choose not to send any statistics. Now let's go through the setup wizard. We'll start by clicking Next. I'm going to choose the custom configuration, accept the default location of the JDK, and then for the theme, I'm going to stick with the light theme. Here, we're asked to install various components related to the API version we want to work with, as well as support for virtual devices. Let's select them all, and then choose Next. We'll use the default, and click Finish. If this is your first time setting up Android Studio, it's going to take a while. This is a perfect time to go for a walk. Once it's all done, you'll be presented with the welcome screen. From here, you can create a new application, open an existing one, or set up additional configuration. That's it. Now you're ready to start developing applications with Android Studio.